Good morning everyone and welcome to our maths lesson. This lesson we are going to be looking at making the same amount using different amounts of money, so using different coins, using different notes. So thinking about £1, how many different ways can we actually make £1? We could use 100 one pennies, we could use a £1 coin. That's what we're going to be looking at today, because then if we can think like that when we are using money, then you can think, right, well, I don't have this, but I have this. I have this amount. What can I use instead? But before we do that, let's have a look at our warm-up. So we need to decide which is bigger or which is greater, which is less than, which is smaller, or are they the same amount? Have a go now.